Hello students, today let's start the new topic, that is the sound. Okay, to first, what is by sound in this topic? To start from the, what is the definition of sound and what is by waves. To student first, what is by sound? Sound is nothing but the energy. What is the student sound? What is my sound? Sound is nothing but energy. What does it mean by sound, student? Sound is nothing but what? Energy. Sound म्हणजेच काय? ऊर्जा, ध्वनी. मराठीतला आपण काय म्हणतो? ध्वनी. ध्वनी म्हणजेच काय? तर ऊर्जा. साऊंड म्हणजेच काय स्टुडंट? ऊर्जा. What is the student? What is my waves? What is the definition of waves, student? I write the first definition of waves, then explain the term of the definition waves. Any oscillatory disturbance traveling through a medium is known as wave. What is the definition of student wave? Any oscillatory disturbance traveling through a medium is known as the wave. Right? The oscillatory disturbance means what, student? Oscillatory disturbance traveling. Another definition of sound is what? Sound is nothing but the disturbance traveling. This is the analogous concept of the sound and waves. Because waves is nothing but the energy. What is by energy? Light is nothing but is in the form of waves or in the form of particle. Means what? Particle is nothing but the energy. Waves is nothing but the energy. Means then sound is nothing but the energy. Then what is the definition? Another definition of the sound. The disturbance traveling is known as the sound. Or what is the waves? The disturbance traveling is known as again waves. बघा फॉर एक्झाम्पल स्टुडंट, बघा एक वायर आहे, एक किंवा एक रस्सी आहे, दोरा, आणि तो एका खेळाला बांधला तर त्याच्यामध्ये स्टुडंट असे डिस्टर्बन्स तयार होणार, आणि दिस डिस्टर्बन्स ट्रॅव्हलिंग इन एअर मीडियम. राईट? मीन्स what is the wave? The any oscillatory disturbance traveling through a medium is known as the waves. Student, I take it the next point, but before complete the definition of waves and sound. Student, next types of waves. You already explained the what is by wave, what is the definition of wave, student? The any oscillatory disturbance traveling through a medium is known as what? Wave. The any oscillatory disturbance traveling through a medium is known as what, student? This is the definition of waves. Then what is the definition of what is by mechanical waves? The waves in which the material medium is required is known as the mechanical waves. The waves in which material medium is required is known as what? Mechanical waves. Is known as what? Mechanical waves. म्हणजेच काय स्टुडंट? कशासाठी मेकॅनिकल वेव्स? स्टुडंट बघा, द वेव्स इन विच मटेरियल मीडियम इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर ए प्रोपोगेशन. इथे ॲडेड वन वर्ड्स, that add a propagation. Material medium is required for a propagation is known as what? Mechanical waves. What is the student the definition of mechanical waves? The waves in which material medium is required for a propagation is known as a mechanical waves. म्हणजे अशा वेव्स की ज्या वेव्सना मीडियमची आवश्यकता आहे. प्रोपोगेशन म्हणजे काय? प्रोपोगेट होणे, त्याचं वहन होणे, राईट. प्रोपोगेट, लाईट इज प्रोपोगेट, राईट. म्हणजे प्रोपोगेशन होण्यासाठी जर ज्या वेव्सना मीडियमची medium is essential, this is known as what? The mechanical waves. For example is what? Sound waves. Next one student, that is the seismic waves. What is the seismic waves student? Is the waves produced in a what? Earthquake. भूकंपामध्ये जे काही waves लाव्हारसामधून येतात, that is known as what? Seismic waves. That is student what? Seismic waves. And this seismic waves is measured in a seismogram instrument. What? Seismogram instrument. Understand student? Again example is what? Water waves, right? Then these waves is known as the student mechanical waves. What is the definition of student? What is the first definition of wave? The any oscillatory disturbance traveling through a medium is known as the wave. Then what is the types of waves? First one is the mechanical waves. The waves in which the material medium is essential, the material medium is required for a propagation is known as the what? Mechanical waves. For example, the sound waves, seismic waves and water waves. Student, I take it the next point, but before complete the what? Mechanical waves. Student, next point is what? EM waves. Student, what is meant by EM waves? What is the long form of the EM waves? That is the electromagnetic waves. But yes, student, what is meant by electromagnetic waves? The waves in which is generated by periodic vibrations of electric and magnetic field. Electric and magnetic field is known as electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves. The waves in which is generated by periodic vibrations of electric and magnetic field is known as the electromagnetic waves. What is the student electric field and magnetic field? In electrostatic and magnetism, you already studied what is by electric field, what is by magnetic field. What is the periodic classification, student? This is the student electric field. Then what? These electric vectors, and this is the student magnetic vectors. Then electric field and magnetic field are generated to the periodically. म्हणजे एक इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड आहे तर दुसरी मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड आहे. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड. बघा, द वेव्स विच इज जनरेटेड बाय पिरियडिक व्हायब्रेशन्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड इज नोन एज इलेक्ट्रोमॅग्नेटिक वेव्स. अँड material medium is not required. The material medium is not required is known as what? EM waves, electromagnetic waves. The material medium is not required is known as what? Electromagnetic waves. म्हणजेच काय हो स्टुडंट? The waves in which generated by a periodic vibrations of a electric and magnetic field, right? This is known as what? Electromagnetic waves. And these waves, the material medium is not required. Student, understand what is by waves, what is the types of waves. First one is the mechanical waves, second one is the electromagnetic waves. Student, please complete the notes of the electromagnetic waves. Student, next one is the matter waves. What is by matter waves? The waves which is associated with a mass. The waves which is associated with a mass is known as what, student? This is what? Matter waves. What, student? Matter waves. त्यालाच आपण काय म्हणणार आहे? हो, मॅटर वेव्स असं म्हणणार आहे. द वेव्स विच इज असोसिएटेड विथ ए मास इज नोन ॲज ए मॅटर वेव्स. त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो स्टुडंट? मॅटर वेव्स असं म्हणणार आहे. राईट. ओके. नेक्स्ट वन, अनदर टाइप्स ऑफ वेव्स इज अ प्रोग्रेसिव्ह वेव्स. बट progressive wave study in the 12th standard, progressive wave, but I explain the only definition of the progressive wave. What is the matter waves? The waves which is associated with a mass. Waves मध्ये काय mass contribute झालं पाहिजे. This is known as what? Matter waves. And what is the progressive waves? The wave in which, or the waves in which is continuously traveling in a given medium, is known as what, student? Progressive wave. What is this? This is the word progressive waves. The waves in which continuously traveling in a given medium is known as a progressive waves. What, student? This is known as what? Progressive waves. Right? Understand the definition of the progressive wave. The waves in which कंटिन्युअसली ट्रॅव्हलिंग इन ए गिवन मीडियम इज नोन एज अ प्रोग्रेसिव्ह वेव्ह. त्यालाच आपण काय म्हणतोय हो, प्रोग्रेसिव्ह वेव्ज असं म्हणतोय. The waves in which continuously traveling in a given medium is known as a progressive waves. Student, I take it the next point, but before the definition of the matter waves and progressive waves. Okay, student, I completed the few definitions. Then I again discuss the what is by waves, what is by sound, what student, sound waves, types of waves. First one is the mechanical waves. Second what student, EM waves. Third what student, that is what, matter waves, right? Matter waves. And last what student, that is the progressive waves. What is the mechanical wave, student? The waves in which what, the waves in which the material medium is required for a propagation is known as what, mechanical waves. Mechanical शब्द आला की material medium is required. What, material medium is required. What is the definition of waves? The any oscillatory, दोरी लक्षात ठेवायचं, the any oscillatory disturbance traveling through a medium is known as what, student? Waves. And what is the sound? What is the definition of sound? Sound is nothing but the energy. Sound is nothing but the what? Energy. Electromagnetic waves, the waves which is generated a periodic vibrations of electric and magnetic fields. Periodic vibrations of electric and magnetic fields is known as the electromagnetic waves. The material medium is not essential. The material medium is not required, right, student? Next, matter waves. The wave which is associated with what, student? Mass is known as what? Matter waves. The waves which is associated, which is contributed with a mass is known as the student matter waves. And what is the student progressive waves? The waves which is continuously traveling in a given direction is known as the student progressive waves. Okay, student, in my first lecture complete the some few definitions of these types of waves. My next lecture to study the characteristics of the waves. Then student, okay, stop my first lecture.